Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today I would like to introduce myself. My name is Syaratul Azira binti Syahidi, and today I would like to give a public speaking about the benefit and the risk of cloud computing. This information is useful for people out there, especially for the decision maker and the manager. What is cloud computing? What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a network of remote server hosted on the internet for storing and retrieving data. The cloud provides a number of IT services such as server, database, software, virtual storage, and networking, among others. Cloud computing also defined as a virtual platform that allows you to store and access your data over the internet without any limitation. Cloud computing can be done in anywhere and anytime. Example of cloud computing. Cloud computing has evolved and diversified into a wide array of offerings and capabilities designed to suit almost any conceivable business need. Example of cloud computing capabilities and diversity include the following. Number 1, Google Document, Microsoft 365. User can access Google Document and Microsoft 365 through the internet. User can be more productive because they can access work, presentation, and spreadsheet stored in the cloud at anywhere, from anywhere, on any device. Number 2, email, calendar, Skype, WhatsApp. Email, calendar, Skype, WhatsApp take advantage of the cloud ability to provide user with access to data remotely, so they can access their personal data on any device whenever and wherever they want. Number 3, Zoom. Zoom is a cloud-based software platform for video and audio conferencing that record meetings and save them to the cloud, enabling users to access them anywhere at any time. Another common communication and collaboration platform in Microsoft Teams. Benefit of cloud computing. Benefit of cloud computing. Now, let's talk about the benefit of cloud computing. Number 1, cost management. Using cloud infrastructure can reduce capital costs, as organizations don't have to spend massive amount of money buying and maintaining equipment. This reduces their capital expenditure costs, as they don't have to invest in hardware, facilities, utilities, or building large data centers to accommodate their growing business. Additionally, companies don't need large IT teams to handle cloud data center operation because they can rely on the expertise of their cloud provider team. Cloud computing also cut costs related to downtime. Since downtime rarely happens in cloud computing, companies don't have to spend time and money to fix any issue that might be related to downtime. Next, data and workload mobility. Storing information in the cloud means that user can access it from anywhere with any device with just an internet connection. That means users don't have to carry around USB drive and external drive or multiple CDs to access their data. User can access corporate data via smartphone and other mobile device, enabling remote employees to stay up to date with co-workers and customers. And user can easily process, store, retrieve, and recover resources in the cloud. In addition, cloud vendor provide all the upgrade and update automatically, saving time and effort. Third is efficient collaboration. Beyond the approach of traditional method, with cloud computing and cloud environment, business will have the ability to collaborate, communicate, and share more easily. With the world become a global village with every passing year, the office has become an ideology, with numerous employees working from across the border when projects are being worked on. Employees, contractors, and third parties will have the capability to share and access the file required through cloud computing. The possibility of efficient collaboration has become a reality today. a major contribution of cloud computing. Last but not least is cloud computing also can automatic update. In legacy system, working on traditional infrastructure, companies were responsible to take care of the hardware as well as software. On contrary, with cloud computing, the frequent update in software aren't a hassle anymore, with the cloud computing service provider taking care of it easily. While installing an operation system, the only has to choose the image of the latest software and the system will do it all by itself. The tedious task of updating each and every new update have become history. This is one amazing advantage the cloud computing provides. The risk of cloud computing. The risk of cloud computing. Now, let's take a look on the risk of cloud computing. Firstly is cloud security. Security is often considered the greatest challenge facing cloud computing. When relying on the cloud, organizations risk data breaches, hacking of API and interface compromise, credential and authentication issues. Furthermore, there is a lack of transparency regarding how and where sensitive information entrusted to the cloud provider is handled. Security demands careful attention to cloud configuration and business policy and practice. Number 2, lack of capability and expertise. With cloud supporting technologies rapidly advancing, organizations are struggling to keep up with the growing demand for tools and employees with the proper skill set and knowledge needed to architect, deploy, and manage workload and data in the cloud. Third, IT governance. The emphasis on do-it-yourself capability in cloud computing can make IT governance difficult, as there is no control over the provisioning and management of infrastructure operation. This can make it challenging to properly manage risk and security, IT compliance and data quality. Lastly, another risk is downtime. This is critical because anytime your cloud server are down, you will not have to access to critical data stored in the cloud, which could temporarily shut down your whole operation. Make sure your cloud provider has the least possible downtime and that they have strong backup measure in place of getting you access to your data in emergency situation. Conclusion. Ladies and gentlemen, for conclusion, cloud computing is recently a new technological development has potential to have a great impact to the world. It has many benefits to their user and also for the business. But there are other challenges or areas that the cloud computing must overcome. The user of cloud computing will worry about who can disclose their data and who will have the ownership of Gen data. But once there are standard and regulation worldwide, cloud computing will revolutionize the world. That's all from me. Thank you and have a good day.